Friends, which house design did you like the most? Each design has a number written on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just let me know in the comments which numbered design you think is the best. Friends, the purpose of showing you these types of houses is simple. When you design your own home, you should have an idea that the most impressive part is always the front view. No matter how beautiful a house is from the inside, if the front elevation isn't attractive, the overall impression is lost. That's why we show you these stunning front elevations so you can choose the perfect design for your future home. Friends, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. Don't be stingy. We're not asking for money. Just one like, one small comment, and if you feel like it, go ahead and share the video too. Thank you. Stay happy and keep smiling.